We have been serving Wroughton, Swindon and the wider local community since 2011. The company is owned by me, a female, with an inherent maternal approach for our works. We love what we do and our clients are part of our family. Electrical work deals with safety and functionality. Electrical works can be dangerous and they can happen unexpectedly. So we provide the reassurance to you that we are reliable, competent, and we can respond quickly for those urgent issues. We provide you reassurance that we can handle specific needs, whether they are routine installations or complex repairs. We communicate clearly about costs, timelines and the work process, and we feel that's important that you are treated fairly. We also want to educate our customers on electrical safety. Electrical Safety First is a fantastic organisation with a wealth of information to keep your home and your family safe. A recent study carried out by them tested 26 outdoor electrical products. Despite them being available on the UK marketplace, over 46% of those failed UK product testing. It's important we know that the products that we buy are actually safe to use in our home. We'll do our best to keep you educated, to keep you up to date with the information. All you need to do is to keep in touch. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.